Hey, what's up guys? I'm here. I'm about to open up just a regular blaster box of NFL Topps 2010 trading cards. Yeah, that's Sam Bradford being a beast in the background. Cowboys are about to play. Let's hope they dominate Favre and Vikings. Let's see. Robinson, Jarius Byrd, Ray Rice, Nate Washington, Joe Montana, Tom Brady, duel, gridiron lineage. Let's see, Tomlinson, and Kareem Jackson, Texans rookie card. Larry Fitzgerald, Lions, John Thomas, Reggie Wayne, gridiron giveaway, unlock original. Ooh, sweet. Let's see, New Orleans Saints, and Sergio Kindle rookie card. Chargers, Million Floyd, Jared Allen, Ray Lewis, sweet. Demarius Thomas, Green Bay Packers, Kevin Thomas, James Starks rookie card. God, I really hate Philip Rivers. Let's see. Roy Williams. Roy Williams is special to me. Got my Cowboys jersey. Gonna put it on for the game. Back to Roy Williams, D'Angelo Williams, Chad Henne, Darrell Revis, Brett Favre, blah blah blah, Wayne McGee, Peyton Manning. Might send that to my sister-in-law. Probably not. Jonathan Crofton rookie card. Mohamed Masakai, Marcus Colston, Todd Heap, Torrey Holt, Gale Sawyers, Matt Forte, gridiron lineage, Ted Ginn Jr., and Jerome Murphy, Rams rookie card. By the way, Rams just won. Pretty kick ass. Ethan, can you hand me the remote so I can change the channel? Remote. Steve Hutchinson, Justin Forsett, William Parker.
You have a lot of packs to go down.
75th draft, first round. Put it down. Cincinnati Bengals, Daniel Allen, Mike Williams rookie card. What? Pierre Thomas, Bernard Scott, Dan Marino, David Harris, New Orleans Saints, Super Bowl champions, blah blah. Major Right. Awasaki Awasuko, Cowboys, rookie card.
No good one?
Brandon Pettigrew. I go Richard Seymour, Asante Samuel, Deshaun Jackson, New England Patriots, Amari Spivey, rookie card. Alright, Dolphins, Jaguars, Lamar Woodley, Sidney Rice, Kevin Kolb, Ed Dixon, and yeah. Alright, now it's time for the relic card. One throwback patch card, let's hope it's something good. Nice. Kenny Britt, Tennessee Titans. That's pretty cool. Alright, thanks for looking.